Greetings, Pathway Explorers, and welcome to Landmark 30, Describe Your Ecological Self. I'm Jennifer, and I'm an English and visual arts teacher with the Kawartha Pine Ridge District School Board. I'm here at Jackson Park in Peterborough. It's a place that I come to regularly to feel grounded. I'm grateful for this space, for its beauty, its natural rhythms, and it's here that I feel most connected with my ecological self. The ecological self is a concept that has been described in various ways by different people, but it's essentially a way to view oneself not as separate from the natural world, but as a part of a deeply interconnected ecosystem of all beings on Earth. In the traditional view of humankind's relationship to nature, what is sometimes referred to as the ecological view, humans are situated at the top of a hierarchy of plants, animals, and all life on this planet. The belief that humans occupy a superior place in the world has justified the exploitation and destruction of the planet. In contrast, in the deep ecological view of life on Earth, just as much importance is given to the earthworm, the wildflower, the chipmunk, as is given to humans. A person's ecological self develops as they learn to identify with other living beings through enriching nature-based experiences like those you may have had through other landmark activities in the Pathway Project. These types of experiences widen and deepen our sense of who we are to include everything alive upon the planet and even the Earth itself. So that's your challenge. Describe your ecological self. Write an autobiographical essay or create an art piece through visual art, dance, drama, music, or even multiple media that explores your ecological self. In your creative work, describe or illustrate how you view yourself in relation to nature, creation, or the environment. If you're having trouble getting started, try making a mind map or a concept web that connects your personal experiences to your relationships with the natural world. Once you've reflected on the development of your ecological self, consider how you might share that new understanding of yourself and your place in the world with others. Maybe you want to show this through words or images, rhythms or shapes, or maybe even sounds and colors. However you choose to describe your ecological self, just be sure to focus on a bio-centric view instead of a human-centered view. Above all, be creative and think inside the circle.